So this is ShowMe, and I am going to show you how to create a new ShowMe. You just click Create New ShowMe, and as you can see at the top, you have a variety of tools. You can write because there's different types of ink that you can use, and if I choose blue, I could do yellow. I can clear all drawings. I can also be able to just erase part of it. And the cool thing is you can also import a picture, and that would be from your photo roll. And you need that to be already in your photo roll before you import it. So once you could also change pages as well. So let's go back. Say I want to create a tutorial for how to teach equivalent fractions. Well, first I would go back to choose my photo. I would choose my camera roll. And then from my camera roll, I can choose the fraction strips that I got from Safari or Chrome. Make it bigger, smaller. I can also rotate it if I needed to rotate the image. And then once I have it in place, I just hit done. So now I'm back on the main screen. So let's say I wanted to annotate the screen before I wanted to do my tutorial. Now I'm just playing around here, so this is going to be a little messy, but say I just wanted to point out that 1/2 and 2/4 is the same, and 1/2, 2/4, and maybe 4/8 is the same, and same thing for 8/16. I can easily annotate on my screen. And I can also switch to a new screen by just clicking at the top where you see I put the arrow. Okay, one thing I noticed is when I switch to a new page, it will pause as you can see the blinking at the bottom. And then I can hit record again, and so now I can record me actually doing the underlining. That will appear in the movie, and I'm explaining possibly in this movie that 1/2 equals 4/8, so I can write that on the screen for my students to see. And I could be explaining anything at this point in the tutorial. And when I'm ready, I can just hit save at the top left corner, and it will save my tutorial. It'll let you preview it. It will play a bit, and then you can hit next. Then you could type in the name of the document or the tutorial. And nope, maybe I want to change that from just fractions. I'll be more specific and put equivalent fractions. And as you can see, I'm typing that in. Once done, hit next. It's going to ask you to choose a topic. I chose math. And then other topics, I can be more specific by choosing other and typing in fractions. And then what happens is the already set up categories are popping up, and you can select that. You can select a group if you wanted to send it to. I don't happen to want to do that, so I just came out of it. And as you can see, it's now processing my movie, and it will be available for me to share with others. And then I can play my movie. And it's that simple. Now if you go to the website, you can see that it is loaded up and it was available for the community. I click equivalent fractions, and it will then open up my movie. And as you can see, I can play it from here, or it gives me an option to share. I can email it to myself, save it, and share it on Facebook. There's an embed code that I could copy and paste and put into my website, or just an email link. And that's how you can share your ShowMe.